Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis wants to hold Trump's election interference trial in just 6 months. She also wants to try all 19 of the defendants together. Former prosecutor Elliot Felig joins me now. That trial, all 19 together, within the next 6 months, that's a circus.
Inconceivable. I mean, let's just...
Not going to happen?
Let's just logistically talk about how that would proceed. It's not going to happen, okay? The Constitution gives every defendant the right to their own attorney and the right to a vigorous defense. Try to imagine what that would mean in a courtroom. It means every potential juror questioned by the prosecutor and 19 different defense attorneys, 20 questions, okay? It means every witness subject to 19 different cross-examinations. It means every question that the prosecutor asks is subject to an objection from any one of 19 lawyers. What, are you going to have this in an NBA arena? Inconceivable, not going to happen. 19 defendants is a joke.
Okay. There's another 4 trials, I believe, scheduled for next year. Do you think any of them will take place?
I'm skeptical as to whether any of these will take place before the election. The Manhattan case, I'm not sure is going to survive a motion to dismiss. I am not convinced that the Manhattan indictment is facially sufficient. As to the other cases, there are complicated discovery issues. There are issues that are going to be subject to what we call interlocutory or pretrial appeal. Okay, the Georgia case, 19 different defendants with 19 sets of motions with 19 potentially appealable issues. I'm going to disappoint both sides on this one in the following way. Trump says he wants a blanket delay because he's a candidate. He's not entitled to that. There's nothing in the law that allows him to do that. And running for president is his job. And just as you and I, if we were facing a criminal charge, couldn't say, sorry, judge, it interferes with our job, you got to delay it. That shouldn't fly. That being said, he shouldn't be treated worse than any other defendant. And in this country, defense lawyers walk into courtrooms every day and ask for long delays for a variety of reasons, and they are routinely granted. They ask for delays because they have a vacation coming up and they've already bought plane tickets. They ask for a delay because they have dental work scheduled or a medical procedure or their kid's graduation. And judges say, okay, you need a long date, you get a long date. And that's before we get with substantive reasons for delay, like there's a lot of discovery. So it should be neither controversial nor political for judges to grant long delays as they do for all defendants.
That's fascinating, Elliot. If there were no trials before the election, that would alter the political dynamic of the election. That's my opinion, but it surely would.
It would almost make the election the real trial and the American people the real jurors.
Exactly. And I think that's what might happen. Good stuff, Elliot. Come back soon, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.